Best vegetables to grow in raised beds. Raised beds are a fantastic way to grow vegetables, especially if your garden soil is poor or compacted. They improve drainage, soil quality, and make gardening easier on your back. Let's talk about the best vegetables to grow in raised beds. First, leafy greens. Spinach, lettuce, kale, and Swiss chard grow quickly and thrive in the loose, fertile soil of raised beds. They also tolerate partial shade. Next, root vegetables. Carrots, radishes, beets, and turnips love the loose soil in raised beds because it allows their roots to grow straight and strong without obstruction. Tomatoes are also great raised bed candidates. They need well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Make sure to support tomato plants with stakes or cages. Peppers, both sweet and hot, flourish in raised beds with good sun exposure and nutrient-rich soil. Cucumbers and zucchini do well too, but they need space to spread or a trellis to climb. Beans and peas are excellent choices for raised beds because they fix nitrogen in the soil, enriching it naturally. Tips for raised bed success. Use a high-quality mix of garden soil, compost, and coarse sand or perlite. Mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Water consistently, as raised beds can dry out faster than in-ground gardens. By choosing the right vegetables and caring for your raised beds, you'll enjoy a productive and healthy harvest season after season.